Hi guys, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪. So we're here in Lucia's Tagaytay and we are having a cabin tour of their newest room here. It's called 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞. Okay, so check natin. Okay, bali itong forest cabin pala guys, as what I've said. Ito yung pinakabago nilang room dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay. And ito lang yung pinakaunang forest cabin dito. Okay, and currently they're still constructing yung ibang mga forest cabins dito. So here's the forest cabin. Okay, para siyang A-house guys, no? So as what you see, meron ditong veranda and may dinette set. Okay, then may mini kitchen din. Okay, so let's check yung mini kitchen. So may water and may sink. Then meron ding induction. So meron din ditong toaster. And may electric kettle din. Then may utensils din nakasama guys. Okay. So very secluded to dito sa Lucia's Tagaytay. And if you want privacy, okay, mas okay di magstay dito. Okay, so as what I've said, may mga ginagawa pa no dun sa kabila, makikita natin. But currently, ito lang yung available ngayon. So we'll check out what's inside the forest cabin here in Lucia's. Okay, so ito ang ating room. So we'll just take off our sleepers first. Okay. So bagong-bago to guys, I'm not sure, baka wala pa nga nagstay dito. And if I'm not mistaken, today lang yung opening nitong forest cabin here in Lucia's. On lang natin yung mga ilaw. Okay. So here's the room. So it's relatively small kasi ang intent naman dito is parang forest living, no? So glamping actually. Here's the bed. And meron din tayo dito na lagyan ng luggage. Okay. Of course, this is air conditioned. And so makikita nyo, no, nandito yung ating welcome letter from Lucia Evelyn and yung welcome snacks from Lucia's. And of course, may complimentary coffee din. Okay. Then, itong forest cabin also comes with a personal refrigerator. Okay, and let's check out the toilet and bath. So here's the toilet and bath here in Lucia's forest cabin. So bagong-bago guys, no? Okay, so wala pa yata nakakagamit nito. Ang cute ng lababo, liit lang. Okay, this is nice. Okay. So overall, maganda tong forest cabin, no? It's really small kasi the intent really is for parang forest living. Generally, sobrang okay to. If you want a private and peace and quiet place, I would definitely recommend forest cabin here in Lucia's Tagaytay.